Expressing gratitude plays a pivotal role in strengthening both personal and professional relationships, cultivating a positive atmosphere in various settings. By fostering better interactions and mutual respect, it becomes a crucial element in our daily lives. The frequent use of thank you throughout the video emphasizes its importance in everyday conversations. Regularly acknowledging the efforts of others enhances social connections, making our interactions more meaningful. Moreover, cultural differences in expressing gratitude can significantly influence communication styles. By understanding these nuances, we can improve our interactions and foster effective communication across diverse backgrounds. Collaboration emerges as a central theme, as the speaker highlights the benefits of working with others to boost productivity and innovation in their projects. This cooperative spirit is essential for success in any endeavor. Furthermore, the speaker's commitment to creating new products underscores the importance of continuous development within the manufacturing sector. This dedication reflects a proactive approach to meeting market demands. The speaker's enthusiasm for the new project indicates a positive outlook on the future of their business, revealing the potential for growth and advancement in their field. Additionally, the frequent use of the phrase EAI creates a casual and friendly atmosphere, promoting connections among participants. This informal greeting enhances overall audience engagement. The applause from the audience signals approval and enjoyment, reflecting the success of the presentation. It serves as positive reinforcement for the speaker's efforts, reinforcing their message. Introducing different languages, such as Russian, highlights the event's international appeal and showcases a diverse audience. This multicultural aspect enriches the overall experience for everyone involved. The repetition of "ihe" suggests excitement or encouragement, contributing a lively tone to the video. Engaging vocal expressions can significantly enhance viewer enjoyment and participation. The phrase "продолжение следует," meaning to be continued, hints at an ongoing narrative. This intrigues the audience, keeping them eager for future content and developments. Expressions of gratitude, such as "spasiba" and "vielen Dank," are frequently mentioned, showcasing appreciation towards the audience. This cultivates a positive connection and encourages viewer loyalty. The constant repetition of "vielen Dank" demonstrates a strong emphasis on gratitude throughout the dialogue, highlighting cultural significance and the importance of politeness in communication. References to "die machine" suggest a discussion surrounding machinery or tools, indicating that technical aspects are an integral part of this conversation. Lastly, the mention of pockets points towards a focus on clothing or storage, hinting at practical applications or features being explored in relation to these items.